The worldwide leading exhibition for cutting and welding is finally back in Essen, so Kistler, as an expert in this industry, must not be missing. The SCHWEISSEN and SCHNEIDEN 2023 was a great success for Kistler, as we were able to make several new promising contacts, sold a few machines and even sold one of the exhibits. We exhibited our well-known evergreens like the U500 pipe rotator and the U1000 pipe rotator, as well as some real new technical innovations like an added fourth axis on our pipe profiling machine, which allows the beveling of holes, not only of end cuts. What I really like about this exhibition is that it brings the whole industry together. You get to see the familiar faces of customers, as well as our valued distributors, for example CSTA from France or Arco from Egypt. We are really happy and thankful for our team that made a professional appearance at such an international stage possible. We had great support from our partners and our team from all over the world. The SCHWEISSEN and SCHNEIDEN 2023 was a great foundation for future relationships, and we're looking forward to work with you.